When faced with a broken garage door, homeowners often wonder whether to fix their existing door or invest in a new one. At 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐞 Garage Door Repair, we're here to help you make an informed choice. First, check your garage door's condition. Here are some key points to consider. Garage doors typically last between 15 and 30 years. If your door is nearing 30 years, it might be more economical to replace it. Frequent repairs might indicate it's time for a new door. Broken springs and opener issues can be repaired, but severe structural damage might mean replacement is needed. A faulty garage door is a safety hazard. Ensure your door functions properly to prevent injuries and security risks. Repairing your garage door can be cost-effective, especially for minor issues. Repairs are cheaper, faster, and environmentally friendly. Plus, they help retain your home's curb appeal. But sometimes, buying a new garage door makes more sense. New doors offer smart technology, better insulation, and enhanced security, increasing your home's value and efficiency. To make the right decision, seek an expert opinion. Whether you repair or replace, 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐞 Garage Door Repair is here to help. Contact us today for expert advice and quality service.